How to reset end-to-end encrypted chat pin code on Messenger. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed in to your Messenger account. Once there, tap on the three-line menu option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings. Inside settings, scroll and tap on the privacy and security option available there. Inside privacy and security, tap on the end-to-end encrypted message option available there. Then there all you have to do is tap on the message storage at the top. Now tap on the reset pin option available there and reset your messenger pin. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.